You have seen and used different kinds of seeds in your house. Today, let us use them to make this beautiful fish. Let us start with the middle body of the fish. Apply adhesive on the middle part of the fish and fill red masoor dal seeds. Use your fingers to spread the seeds evenly and to remove any unwanted seeds. Now apply adhesive to other parts one by one and paste different seeds like moong dal seeds for the head, sauf seeds for the fins and tail, and kalonji seeds for the eye. Your colorful seed fish is ready.